With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that state first composition, second reason for alloying, and third one use for each of the following alloys. So there are 5 alloys and we need to tell their composition, reason for alloying, why they form alloys, and one of its uses. So let us make a table. These are alloys, their composition, reason for alloying, and their use. So our first alloy is brass. So generally brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, and it consists of around 60 to 80% of copper and 40 to 20% of zinc. Since copper and zinc combine together to form a brass, and brass, when copper and zinc combine together, they form a hard metal, hard and lustrous metal. Due to this property, they alloy better. Brass is a good alloy, and it is generally used as electrical fittings. It is used in the electrical fittings. So our second alloy is bronze. Bronze is generally it is an alloy of copper, zinc, and tin. It consists of 80% of copper and very less amount of zinc, that is around 1% of zinc, and 19% of tin in it. And due to its hard and attraction property, they possess hard and attraction property, therefore they form a good alloy. And generally bronze is used to make the statues or medals. So our third this alloy is duralumin. That is, it is an alloy of aluminium, magnesium, and copper. It is an alloy of aluminium, magnesium, and copper, and it consists of around 95% of aluminium, very less, around 0.3% of magnesium, and 4% of copper in it. Since due to its light nature, it forms a good alloy. It is very light in nature and is generally used in preparation of aircrafts. So our fourth alloy is solder, which is also the fusible alloy. Next is solder. It is a fusible alloy which is made up of lead and tin, that is 50% of lead and 50% of tin. Solder is generally has a low melting point, and due to this behavior and high tensile strength, they form a good alloys. They are generally used for the welding purposes. So our next alloy is stainless steel. It is stainless steel. So stainless steel in this, steel is an alloy of this steel. It is an alloy of iron and nitrogen. That is, it contains 75% of iron and 10% of nitrogen. Whereas stainless steels are the steels that are the alloy of chromium with 18% of chromium and 10% of nickel, and contains very less amount of around, or we can say less than 1.5% of carbon. So stainless steels, because of their corrosive resistance, they are generally used due to their corrosive resistance. they resist corrosion, and they are lustrous and hard in nature. Therefore, they form a very good alloys, and they are generally used in the surgical instruments. So these all for the 5 alloys. These are the composition, reason, and the uses of each of the 5 alloys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.